How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? Can you believe it? It's actually available. Octopus Keyboard is a reality, ladies and gentlemen. You can actually download this right now. I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. But as you can see, Octopus Keyboard has been optimized, it's been fixed up, it's been put together, and the developer has really gone and put a lot of effort into this release. Again, this is the BlackBerry 10 keyboard on the iPhone. That is the purpose of Octopus Keyboard. If you haven't seen our preview video, make sure you check out that video. That gave a good overall synopsis of the tweak in action. But I'm going to show you how it works right now in its final release form. As you can see, there are words above some of the keys on the keyboard, and this tries to anticipate which words you may be typing. And once you see the full word that you are aiming for, you can just swipe up and it'll go ahead and auto-complete that entire word. For instance, I download blog, for instance, just swipe up on the W and it'll just put in the entire word I download blog, because it knows, it anticipates that that's the word that you're looking for. So as you can see, I'm doing this right now. Let's try octopus. Swipe up. There we go. Swipe up on keyboard. There we go. So you can really see how it works. It just tries to predict which words you're using. Now, this doesn't go about it in some just random order. It actually learns as you go along. It has a built-in English dictionary, it has built-in custom dictionaries. There's room for expandability. We're going to get into that a little bit later. Now, first and foremost, you will need a valid license. You can purchase this license via PayPal. The tweak is free to download, but you will need a $4.99 license in order to use Octopus Keyboard. There are a lot of different options in here that we didn't have the first go around. You have this interesting thing called suggestion threshold. Now, this is really interesting, the way this works. This will actually determine how much a word must have been used to include it into the suggestion. If I slide over to the right, it uses my most used words. It suggests those first. So for instance, octopus, notice now, octopus is one of the first words on the C because I turned that threshold up. It's a very well thought out way of going about keying in on your most used words and being able to user adjust those words accordingly. Now, speaking of users, you have a user dictionary. It has the max user words. You can change that to either 6,000 or 12,000 words. You can turn on learning or disable learning. You can also learn from your messages, the contents of your messages, and learn your names from your contacts, which is really handy, because if you have, everybody's got a crazy name in their family or something like that that they need some help with, and this will help out in that aspect. There's also the provision to delete learned words if you want to do that. But you can see the learned words went up drastically since I learned from my messages and I learned from the names from my contacts. So that helps out a lot for personalizing Octopus Keyboard. And then you have some basic options here, suggestions above keys. You have swipe length. And here's a quick preview of the suggestions above keys. So if you want to try out Octopus Keyboard, again, you need to head over to Cydia. You will need to add this particular repo. This is a repo from the developer himself. It will be on Big Boss repo eventually, but for right now, if you want Octopus Keyboard, you can add this k3a.me/c. I'll have it in the description, and you can add that repo and have Octopus Keyboard right now. Again, you will need to pay for a license, which is $4.99, and you can use that on multiple devices. So let me know what you guys think about Octopus Keyboard in the comment section. Are you convinced that it was worth the wait? Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is Jeff with I Download Blog.